So what's going on, everybody? Today, doing something a little different. Because today, we are not at Disney World. Nope, we are not at any Disney park. We are at Universal Orlando. Even though the sign out there said Universal Florida, they do call it Universal Orlando as the sign right under it, so I don't really get what's up with that. And I have not been here since I was a child, since I was like about 8 years old, somewhere around there, I think. And I think basically everything I remember doing is gone. So today I am just going to be exploring and seeing all the new stuff there is, I guess. Everything's basically going to be new to me anyways, even if I have seen it, because it's been so long. So let's go in there and check it out, and let's see what's going on. Well, right out the gate, we have Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem. So, let's go do it. I don't even know what it is. Alright, so I actually, instead of doing the Despicable Me attraction at the moment, I saw that Shrek 4D is right next to it. And I just got off of that because I heard that that's not the best attraction around here. But truthfully, it wasn't as bad as I heard it was. But it definitely is quite dated and all that. But I'm not sure where I am right now, but I'm checking out all of this. Pretty cool looking, actually. And then they have something going on over there. I have no idea what. It looks like the Transformer attraction's over here. And it looks like that's the building for the new Fast and Furious attraction. You can kind of see it. It says Fast and Furious Supercharged. So I'm guessing that's being built over there. I have no idea when that's coming out or like when that's opening. But I'm not sure where to go. Actually, I forgot to grab a map. I didn't even see where they were. But I'm actually kind of just exploring it. You know, I'm just kind of checking it out. Looks like we got some SpongeBob people out here. It's kind of cool. But I think I'm going to try to look for E.T. because I really want to ride that. I have not done that since, I don't know, I was a child, probably even like since I was like 5. So let's try to find that. And yeah, first I got to find out where I am. Alright, I just got off of the Simpsons ride. It's very obviously used to be Back to the Future, I'm pretty sure. Like, they basically just repurposed the entire thing, which is kind of weird. And I think they're still basically the same mechanism, because that really hurt my back a little bit and got a little sick almost. But overall, it's pretty cool. The whole little lands looks nice. Some of the stuff I don't think is fully opened yet, like food-wise, so I might eat there later, check out some of the stuff. Now I'm gonna check out this, something I've never done. The Men in Black Alien Attack. So let's check this out. Alright, just got myself out of the locker, finished up the Men in Black ride. Good thing I did not realize that thing spun like that. That kind of got me sick too, 2 rides in a row. It just hurt my head a little bit, but overall it's pretty good. I got 86,000 something on my first go. That seems pretty good because it looks like the max is probably like 99,999. So a few more times I might be able to max that bad boy out. Now I think I'm gonna head back this way, or maybe loop around here and maybe check out the Transformer ride and see what else there is over on this side before I check out the other park. So yeah, let's head that way and see what else there is to do. Alright, so I decided to actually take a bit of a pit stop here because I'm actually kind of hungry. So I stopped at this pizza place that I saw. I think it's called Louie's, and they have like jumbo sliced pizzas, and boy do they. I mean, look at that. Actually, let's take care of this first. And these slices are like a quarter of the size. of like the whole pizza. I was actually kind of surprised by that. I thought it was gonna be like, you know, typical jumbo slice, and it was like $8.99. So that's actually a pretty good deal. Even though their whole pizza is like, they're like $31.99 for a cheese. I'm like, okay, that's so crazy. I mean, those cheeses better be imported from Parma, Italy, at that price. And then they have like the other price next to it, like it says like $35.49 or something, and it's X'd out, looking like they're like, oh, it used to be this, and now it's this, so you're saving money. No, that's just the price you made it. So, but overall, I haven't tried it yet. It looks good though, actually, better than anything in other parks I've been to. So, let's try this out. Okay, well, I'm actually gonna start cutting this, in half here. Then put some pepper, and we're gonna try it out. What the freak? Where's my straw? Well, besides all my terrible attempts of using other people's jokes, the pizza's actually pretty good. It actually tastes pretty decent, I think. Like, you know, of course, I was born in Florida, so truthfully, according to all the New Yorkers there, we don't know what real pizza is, which is probably true. So at least we have low expectations, so we don't have to get hurt by theme park pizza. But probably better than anything I've had at Disney. And it looks like real pizza. So, but still, that $31.99, no, not. I wouldn't say that's worth it. But other than that, this whole place is kind of cool. I mean, it looks like an old little, you know, New York little pizzeria style thing. So it's kind of cool. I'm gonna finish up eating here and then head out and see what else there is to do. And yeah. Well, that was pretty good, actually. I mean, I could have went for another slice of that. Seeing what this is. This is like a little statue to the chairman of Universal Studios. That's pretty cool. I'll read that a little later because I am going to head over to ride ET because it was actually closed earlier when I went over there. So it looks like it's open now. It's only about a 10-minute wait, so we're gonna head over there. And it looks like there's some entertainment over here, so maybe we'll check this out too.
Here we go.
Okay, well, I finally rode ET, took a couple breakdowns and waiting quite a while, but I finally got on it, and I think they let me ride it all by myself, which was really cool since I waited so long. And I went over to the Mummy, just rode that, which I think you can hear some of it back there. Not sure if you heard that or not, but just got off of that. That was pretty cool, actually. It was kind of weird though the way it ends. It's just like, that's it? All right, well. But it's pretty cool. I especially think it's cool because the old track of confrontation that's in that used to be in that building are still there. All like the trolley tracks that are up on the ceiling. Most of them stayed. I think maybe all of them. Not sure. But I always think that's kind of cool. And also, well, it's actually kind of creepy to me for some reason. I don't know. It's like a dead attraction in there or something. But I've done a lot of the stuff here, I think, already at Universal. So I'm going to go check out the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, since I have not done that yet at all, and then head over to Islands of Adventure via the train. So, let's do it. Alright, so I am in Diagon Alley. Yes, Diagon Alley. And I just got the frozen butterbeer. I know there's like 3 different kinds, and people used to tell me which one's the best one to get. I don't remember. It's kind of hot out, so I got the frozen one. So we'll see how it is. Let's try this out. We ain't going for the straw though. That cream stuff is thick and pretty good. I didn't really get to the actual drink part yet, so I guess I'll try the straw part for that. cream soda type thing, which I like cream soda, so it's alright. I guess I understand the hype. Pretty good. Still got it all over me. Alright, well, I'm gonna check out this more. It does look like there's some cool stuff to go check out, so I'm gonna finish this and look around and see what I can find. Just got off the Hogwarts Express, and so now I'm in Hogsmeade, and I'm gonna check this out. Because again, I have never been here, so I don't know what to expect. But it already looks pretty interesting. Is that snow? Oh my god, it's snowing in Florida. Let's check this out. Alright, I am here in Dr. Seuss land. I don't remember what it's called at the moment. I actually just got off of Cat in the Hat because I remember riding that as a kid. I remember actually being kind of annoyed by it, but I don't know why. I thought there was like a lot more spinning or something. It's not really what I remember. So I just jumped on it to see what it was like. It's kind of a cool attraction. It is very sunny out here. But I looked a little bit around Hogsmeade and I didn't feel like doing the attraction in there. I forgot what it's called. The main one that's like inside of Hogwarts. Because it got kind of long and all the lockers seem to be like taken up, so it's like I'm just gonna walk around because I want to see the rest of this place for right now. And I did walk kind of just past the Lost Continent because I kind of plan to go check that out a little bit more in depth at a later date. So let's see. I'm not sure what's up here. I think this is the Marvel area over here, and this is like the port of entry. I'm actually gonna cut back that way and check out Jurassic Park, I think, and go do the new King Kong attraction. So let's head over that way. Alright, well, I'm walking through Toon Lagoon right now. I was going to try to do the Reign of Kong attraction, but it was kind of long, so but I just went past the I just forgot it. The like Diddly-Doo Ripsaw Falls thing. I think that's what it is. That like the water ride, the flume that goes like straight down. Yeah, that looks crazy, and I've heard that you get really wet with that. And I mean, look at this. They have a people dryer for people who get so wet on it. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that. I watched a ride through of it once, and it looked a little crazy, a little too crazy for me. So I'm just kind of gonna just keep walking around and checking out everything because I'm going to a show, going to one of the concerts tonight. So I probably get there a little early. So that's why I didn't want to jump on the King Kong and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try to find like one more attraction to hit up, and then find hopefully some place to eat, and then get to the show. So let's see, what's all this? This is the Popeye attraction, I believe. This actually looks kind of cool. The barge, I think it's called Popeye's Barge or something. This actually looks kind of cool. It looks kind of fun. Like if I felt like getting a little wet, I don't know. I never understood why they don't have those type of attractions at water parks. I think that'd be kind of cool. So let's see. Let's get this nice shot of Discovery Island. Jesus, Islands of Adventure. That's what this place is called, right? Yeah, let's get a nice shot of all that. Wow, that was pretty sad. I don't even know the name of the parks I'm in. That really kind of shows how much I like how long since it's been that I've been here. But look at this little thing I just saw over here in the Marvel Island thing. There's this restaurant, it looks like, and right over here there's a thing called Mackenzie. Has Mackenzie right there, and look at that. Those are steps right into the water. There's some ducks chilling out there. What's that about? I wonder what that's for. That's kind of weird. Okay, I just got off of Spider-Man. Another one that's not very similar to how I remember it. A little bit, but not too much. I noticed there's, I think, like 2 Stan Lee cameos in that ride, which is pretty cool. Because apparently, when he still like ends up here, like for conventions or whatnot, he still goes on that ride, and that's pretty impressive. he's a pretty old dude. And I think recently he just got sent to the hospital, which is kind of scary. But I don't know any more about that at the moment. But yeah, I thought that was kind of cool. I think the ride would actually still be really cool if they updated the 3Ds, like the 3D effect a little bit. It's not too bad, but you can tell it's dated. So let's see, I'm in the port of entry. This area looks kind of cool. It's all like kind of like Mediterranean, I guess. But I'm about to head over to the Lost Continent. I might go eat at Mythos and check that out. But I'm not sure. I'm gonna look around still, and but I think I'm gonna do that, eat over there, and then head back to Universal and get ready for the concert. So yeah, let's head on over there. I just finished my meal at Mythos, and now I'm trying to rush over to Universal so I can get a spot for the concert tonight. I should have been there, honestly, probably like an hour ago, just to make sure I got a good spot, because I feel like people probably started lining up already around 6, and the thing starts at like 8:30. I think it's almost 7-ish or something, or it is 7, I don't even know. But I'm trying to head over there now as quick as I can. So, not too much on the meal. It was okay. I mean, it says it's #1 in the world. That's based on a review by a theme park like publication that I think only covers the Orlando parks, like attractions in Florida. So I don't really know what what authority they have for that. But everything was really nice. It looks really amazing. It's a really cool restaurant. Everything was good. My server was a little and I got like the pad thai, and I don't know. I haven't really had too much of that before, especially here in the States. But wasn't really pad thai that much. I mean, it's a version, but other than that, it's whatever. The bread was okay. I didn't even know there was gonna be bread, so I was kind of hyped. But then it was really hard, and it was really only easily edible with my my soup that I got, my tomato soup. So if you want to eat it, well, you gotta get the soup, I guess. I don't know. But other than that, it was fine. So I'm gonna rush over there now and see what the hype train's going on. Oh, it looks like you can see some of the nighttime stuff over there at the castle. That's cool. Well, that is it. I just watched the Beach Boys play for like an hour and a half, which I was not expecting. They played over an hour past park closing, so I thought they were just gonna do like a 30-minute little thing. So that was awesome. But I am now tired, and look at all these people leaving from Universal. Look at this. That's just crazy. I was looking at this parking structure too, and this whole thing's crazy. This thing is huge, and I think there's a second one over there. That's just wild. So it's very likely you're going to be seeing some more stuff from here, Universal. But that'll be for a later date, at a later time. Right now, I am just going to go home so I can get some rest and chill out my feet.